First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create AI commercial ads, start by deciding what product, service, or brand you want to promote. Before generating the video, define your target audience and the main message you want viewers to remember. Keep the advertisement focused on one clear benefit or selling point. Now plan the commercial as a short sequence of scenes. Start with an attention-grabbing opening, introduce the product, demonstrate its main benefit, and finish with a clear call to action. Next, write a detailed prompt for each scene. Describe the product, environment, action, camera movement, lighting, composition, colors, and advertising style. For example, you could describe a premium smartphone placed on a sleek modern table, dramatic studio lighting, realistic reflections, smooth camera movement, a clean luxury background, and high-end commercial cinematography. Generate the scene and carefully review the result. Make sure the product looks consistent and the important features are clearly visible. If the product appears distorted or changes between scenes, refine your prompt and use consistent visual references or workflows when available. Create additional scenes that show the product from different angles or demonstrate how it is used. Keep the lighting, colors, environment, and overall visual style consistent throughout the advertisement. After generating the clips, combine them in a video editor.